Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the chapter mensuration, and this will be the last session for this chapter. Question 52. The perimeter of a square garden is 48 meter. A small flower bed covers 18 square meter area inside this garden. What is the area of the garden that is not covered by the flower bed? What fractional part of the garden is covered by the flower bed? Find the ratio of the area covered by the flower bed and the remaining area. In this question, we are given the perimeter of the square garden. Let me mention that the perimeter of the garden is 48 meters. Since it is a square garden, we have 4 times the side equal to 48 meters. So I can find out each side. Side will be 48 upon 4. This will be equal to 12 meters. When the side is known to us, we can find out the area. So the area of the garden will be equal to side into side, since it is a square one. So side multiplied to side is 12 times 12, which will be equal to 144 square meter. And the area of the small flower bed is equal to 18 meter square. Therefore, the area of the garden that is not covered by the flower bed will be, we need to subtract from 144 meter square, we need to subtract 18 meter square. You'll be getting 126 meter square. Now the question is to find out the fractional part. Therefore, the fractional part will be 18 upon 144, which is 1 by 8. Therefore, the ratio of the area covered and remaining area will be equal to 18 by 126. So 1 by 7 or 1:7. This is the ratio. Question number 53. Perimeter of a square and a rectangle is same if a side of a square is 15 centimeter and one side of the rectangle is 18 centimeter. Find the area of the rectangle. Here the perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. This is known to us. So 4 times the side is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So 4 multiplied to 15 will be equal to 2 times of length is given as 18. We need to find the breadth. Therefore, we get it as 60 equal to 2 times of 18 plus b. So 18 plus b will be equal to 30. So b will be equal to 30 minus 18. So b will be equal to 12. Therefore, the breadth is 12 and we can find the area as length times breadth. Length is 18 and the breadth is 12. On multiplying, we'll be getting it as 216 centimeters square. So this is how we can solve. We will equate the perimeters. From that, we'll find the breadth. Once the breadth is found, we'll find the area as length times breadth. Next question, question number 54. A wire is cut into several small pieces. Each of the small pieces is bent into a square of side 2 centimeter. If the total area of the small squares is 28 square centimeter, what was the original length of the wire? Here, the length of one piece is equal to the perimeter of the square, and they have given the side is 2 centimeters, so 4 times the side 2 centimeter will become the perimeter, which is 8 centimeter. Let me consider the number of pieces as n, and area of n squares is equal to 28 centimeter square, as they have given if the total area is 28. So n number of pieces together forms 28 centimeter square. So n times side square will be equal to 28. So n times the side is 2 square, which is equal to 28. So n will become equal to 28 upon 4, which is 7 times. Therefore, the original length of the wire will be equal to 7 times the perimeter. So it is 7 times 8, which is 56 centimeter. Question 55. Divide the park shown in the figure 6.17 of question 40 into 2 rectangles. Find the total area of this park. If 1 packet of fertilizer is used for 300 square meter, how many packets of fertilizers are required for the whole park? The figure 6.17 of question 40 is one of the rectangle is smaller, another rectangle is larger. This side, I'll name this as A, B, C, D, and this one as E, F, G. The side DC is 150 meter. The side EF is 270 meter. This side GF is 180 meter, and the side BG is 120 meter. And the side BC is 100 meter. So from here to here, this length will become 280 meters. For solving, I will find the area of rectangle ABCD. This will be equal to length times breadth. So the length is 150 and the breadth is 100. We get it as 15,000 meters square. Now I'll find out the area of rectangle AGFE. For this rectangle, the length is 270 and the breadth is 180. We get it as 48600 meters square. Therefore, total area of the park will be equal to 15000 added to 48600. On addition, we get it as 63600 meters square. Number of packets of fertilizers used for 63600 meters square will be equal to 63600 divided by 300, because they have given 300 square meter area, one packet is used. So on division, we get it as 212 packets. Question number 57. The area of each square on chessboard is 4 square centimeter. Find the area of the board. First sub question in that, at the beginning of the game, when all the chess men are put on the board, right area of squares left unoccupied. Second sub question is, find the area of the squares occupied by the chessmen. Here, the area of one square on a chessboard is 4 centimeters square. Since there are 64 squares, if you observe, 8 will be this side, 8 will be this side, so it is 8 by 8, which is 64 squares on a chessboard. Therefore, area will be equal to 64 times 4, 256 centimeters square. Now let's answer the first sub question in that. At the beginning of the game, when all the chess men are put together, there will be 32 squares left unoccupied. This implies that the area will be equal to 32 times the 4, which is 128 square centimeters. Second sub question, since 32 squares are unoccupied, then 32 will be occupied. 32 square will be occupied. This means that area will be same as 32 times 4, which is 128 square centimeter. Question number 58. In that there are two sub questions. Find all the possible dimensions in natural numbers of a rectangle with a perimeter 36 centimeters and find their areas. The possibility is to have the perimeter as 36 that we need to find. So they have given the perimeter to be equal to 36 centimeter, which is 2 times of length plus breadth, which is 36. So we get length plus breadth as 18. So the combination of one a centimeter. Let me write it as dimensions, and here I'll find the area. If I consider 1 and 17, 1 centimeter and 17 centimeter dimension, it can have perimeter 18, L plus B as 18, area will be 17 centimeter square. So the combination can be 2 times 16, 2 by 16, and it is 32 centimeter square. The combination can be 3, 15, 45 centimeter square, 4, 14, the product is 56 centimeter square, 5, 15, the product is 75 centimeter square, same way 6, 12, sorry, I made a mistake here, it's 5, 13, not 15, 5, 13, the product is 65 centimeter square, 2, 16, the product is 72 centimeter square, 7, 11, the product is 77 centimeter square, 8, 10, the product is 80 centimeter square, 9, 9, the product is 81 centimeter square. If you do the combination of length plus breadth in the first column, you'll be getting 18. This is the answer for the subpart 1. Let's answer the second part. They have given the area to be equal to 36 square centimeter. So area is 36 centimeter square. We all know length times breadth is 36 centimeter square. We'll find out the possible perimeters. When the dimension is 36, it can be 1 and 36. So the perimeter will become equal to 2 times of 1 plus 36, which is 74. Likewise, we have 2 and 18 combination. So 2 times of 2 plus 18 will be equal to 40 centimeter. If you consider this has 3 and 12, the perimeter is 2 times of 3 plus 12, which is 40. This is 15. 15 3s are 15 2s are 30 centimeter. If I take 4 with a 9 combination, 2 times of 4 plus 9, which is 26 centimeter, I can have 6 by 6. So 2 times of 6 plus 6, 24 centimeter. These are the possible dimensions to have when the area is 36 centimeters square, and these will be the perimeters. Question 59. Find the area and the perimeter in each of the following figures if area of each of the small square is 1 centimeter square. I want you to solve this. These are very easy type of question. You can find, I'll be mentioning the areas and the perimeters here. For the first figure, you can cross check. The area is 11 centimeter square and the perimeter is 18 centimeter. I want you to try this out. For the second figure, I'll be mentioning the area. Area will be equal to 13 centimeter square and the perimeter is 28 centimeters. For the third figure, area is 13 centimeter square and the perimeter is again 28 centimeter. I want you to try this out by yourself. Similar is the question here, question number 60, but they have given the entire area as 96 centimeters square and they have asked you to find the perimeter of the figure. To find the perimeter of the figure, you would be requiring each side. So find out each side. Each side will be equal to area divided by the number of squares. So total area is given as 96 divided by, you need to count the number of squares here. Here's 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. In total, there are 24 such squares. So we'll be getting 4 centimeter, 4 square centimeter as the each side. When it is the small square's area is 4 centimeter square, it's a area of small each side squares. So for small square we'll get 4 centimeter square. So side square is 4 centimeter square. So the side will be equal to 2 centimeters. When 2 centimeter is there, perimeter is the, we have to add like this, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, like that. To add the perimeter, make it as 68 centimeter. This also I want you to try. With this question, I'll end today's session. Thank you.